Ми сьогодні бачимо, як стрімко розвивається Україна.
We are at the biggest organic trade fair in the world, here in Nuremberg. That shows how quickly the organic market is growing in Ukraine. We aim to show that Ukraine can also produce high-quality, competitive organic food.
Biofach 2014, the biggest organic trade fair in the world. Alexander Yushchenko is a leading organic entrepreneur from Ukraine.
With the support of SECO, the Swiss State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, he and 8 other Ukrainian companies have moved into the export market and are presenting their product range to international trade specialists for the first time.
It is important in Ukraine to have some pioneers or gate openers who can come to the market, open the doors for others, and small and medium enterprises from Ukraine can already follow these leaders and bring their organic products to the market.
Ukraine is 14 times larger than Switzerland. 70% of its land is farmed, and 1 in 5 Ukrainians works in agriculture. The state has introduced initial reforms, but faces the challenge of making economic growth sustainable and socially responsible. One way that Switzerland can support environmentally sound, qualitative growth in Ukraine is to promote private sustainability standards, such as organic certificates.
Although the organic sector accounts for a very small proportion of agriculture, it has huge potential. Ukraine has enough land and fertile soil. Organic farming is also more labor-intensive than conventional farming, so can create extra jobs in rural areas. Alexander Yushchenko knows that he can only compete internationally if he invests in the quality of his produce. High quality is the key requirement for an organic certificate. Ivan Gavran knows this too. He works for the local certifying body set up with Swiss help.
Organic Standard is an independent certifying body which aims to be fair and impartial to all. These maize samples are being tested for harmful residues. Organic Standards demand that organic produce contains no such residues. Knowledge transfer is a key element of the Swiss project to develop the organic market. Yushchenko's farm acts as a showcase. It holds regular open days for SMEs.
Що для мене було цікаво, то це вирощування сільськогосподарських культур.
The field day gave me a chance to find out about growing cereal crops, as I farm organically. The key issues for us are weed control, fertilizer use, and soil cultivation.
Не потрібно їхати за таким досвідом кудись далеко, чи за кордон, чи в іншу область.
It is really useful that we don't have to travel far afield, or even abroad, to get this information. Training is provided here, right near home.
Фактично, потрогати руками.
Thanks to the training, Tetiana Lablonska will start growing organic soya on her farm this year. Guidance from Alexander Yushchenko and his colleagues is helping around 50 to 100 SMEs who want to develop their organic cereals production. They are the project's target group.
Ми надаємо українським фермерам консультації.
We provide the Ukrainian farmers with the expertise they need about cultivation, certification, and developing the relevant statutory framework.
Підвищення конкурентоспроможності малих та середніх підприємств, які діють в Україні.
Our target is competitive organic produce for the international and national markets.
А також створення внутрішнього ринку в Україні.
Consumers prize organic goods for their high quality, certified production and traceable origin. Shops like Natur Boutique are now meeting the demand for organic produce in Ukraine too.
Natur Boutique – это место, в котором я постоянно бываю и довольно долгое время уже.
I've been coming here for a long time. I'm a regular customer. The shop has a wide selection of organic products, which help me to lead a healthy life.
Quality produce from Ukraine is making its mark on the international market as well. In 2013, Switzerland imported several hundred tons of Ukrainian organic grain for bread flour, so that it could meet the high demand for its domestic market.